Welcome back. Now, in most cases, the icons that you're going to be using here are going to require some programming knowledge. PHP pair, Perl modules, optimized website, multi-PHP, and then multi-PHP editor. All of those are going to require some form of programming knowledge. And so, however, there are two modules that you can use, and one is Fantastico, which we will be covering in a separate video, and then the site software link, and we're going to click there now. Now, the site software section will give you options of software that you can install without programming knowledge. And in this particular case, one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to turn on notifications for updates when the installs are available. So we're now going to click here. So now that we've done that, we can then select the WordPress link. What this module will do is it will give you the ability to install WordPress in any directory or subdomain that you want to install it in. For example, if we want to add a subdomain, we would click this link. We would then create our subdomain as we did in a previous video. As you can see here, we've created the subdomain blog. We then install the WordPress site into the directory that we created. We then give ourselves an admin user. And once we do that, we would give ourselves the typical WordPress data to fill in the site. We're going to write in a blog name, a description, and then a table prefix. Now, this module is going to create a new database at the same time, and we're going to click Install. Once we do that, then our site is going to be installed. We can now go back to the site software landing. When you scroll back to the bottom, it's quite possible that you may have installed one blog and you may not want to have it installed anymore. And so what you can do is you can then click the uninstall button of any blog that you installed using the site software page. So in this case, we're going to uninstall this blog. You'll be giving a warning and then you're going to say uninstall. So you've now used the site software link in order to install or uninstall software to your server. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.